Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to give you a quick demo of my hackathon project called One Step Today. So I'll show you the app from installation to daily usage and finally the monetization flow using RevenueCat. So let's get started. One Step Today is a minimal habit tracking app focused on one simple idea, which is take one meaningful step every day. Instead of overwhelming users with complex goals, the app helps them stay constant with small daily actions. This app is in closed testing, so I'm going to install it. So click on install. After installing the app, the user lands on a first welcome screen. So this is the first welcome screen. One step today. Turn big dreams into small, powerful action. The interface is clean and distraction free, designed to keep the user focused. So I'm gonna click on start my journey and then click on show me how. So now it's showing what should be called you on your journey. So let's give it a name, and also in my case I'm using Firestore database of Firebase. So let's give it a name. So I'm giving Horace and click on continue. So then it will show in our database, which is Firestore database of Firebase service. So now as you can see, the name appear in our Firestore database. So now let's click on create my first step. Here is the pivot screen which is showing the plan, which is free plan, and in our free plan we have 3 steps to access and a daily reminder and a showing progress and 27 support. And when I swipe the free plan to pro plan, here is showing the pro plan of lifetime. So now I'm going to click start free plan and then we will upgrade to pro plan. Here is you can see the main screen, the home screen of that. When I swipe to achieve step, here is the achieve step screen, and when I swipe to history screen, so there is a history screen also. And I swipe on setting screen, so here is the setting of the app. So there is the 4 main screens.